What's up YouTube, welcome to a brand new video. My name is Eric and today we are talking about my top 7 free effects for Final Cut Pro. Let's head right into that. Number 1. Glitches. So glitch effects are a very amazing tool and a must-have to style your videos modern and up to date. Especially for logos and text, glitches look great and professional. Now there are a lot of free glitch packs out there. I will leave you my own in the description. It comes with over 15 different glitches including text and sound. Number 2. Number 2 is the real handheld effect from the Final Cut Pro, which is quite a funny name. I just realized when you speak it out loud. Now I know there is an handheld effect built into Final Cut Pro already, but it looks really digital and not natural at all. Just take a look how it looks when you speed up the footage just for a little bit. You really can see the pattern, how it moves, and that is not natural. The Final Cut Pro made a way more natural handheld effect with 6 different strands for different focal lengths. Number 3 is Scribble. Now Scribble is basically your drawings on your footage. It's been used in a lot of music videos and draw a lot of attention into your video. Now there are plenty different options on how you could achieve this Scribble effect on your videos. For example, a free option is you could screenshot your frames frame by frame with Lightshot Screenshot, which is a free program, and draw your scribble, bring those back into Final Cut Pro and key the green scribble color out. Now if you have 30 bucks left in your pocket, there is a way easier and faster way because Pixel Film Studios made a plugin which called Glow Brush. This plugin will cost you 30 bucks, but it's the way easier and faster way because you can draw your scribble directly in Final Cut Pro onto your footage frame by frame. Of course, both links are in the description. Number 4. Number 4 is motion blur, and if you watch my channel you know I love motion blur. Especially when it comes to speed ramps or hyperlapse, motion blur can really help you to smooth out your footage and get way smoother results. So do yourself a favor, download a motion blur pack, link is in the description. Number 5. Number 5 is the Super 8mm Filmlook, which is extremely popular right now and you've probably seen it everywhere. This effect will give the illusion that your footage is filmed on an old analog camera. Especially when you produce content for social media, this is a must-have. Link is in the description. Number 6 is light leaks. Oh man, I love light leaks. Light leaks is basically an alpha channel footage of light which you overlay on top of your footage to give your videos a bit more flair. Also, it's a great way to hide transitions. Now you can find light leaks all over the internet for free. Just type in light leaks and give it a search. Or you could download my free plugin with I think over 28 different light leaks I've collected over the years, made a plugin out of it, and guess what, it's for free. Link, description, you know what to do. Number 7 is the drone Inception Effect. Basically, you lay 2 drone shots on top of each other, flip the upper one 180 degrees, move them so the skies match and use a mask to fade the skies. I made a free plugin for this, so you just have to choose the footage and it does everything automatically. You can adjust the slider and the mask and the position and everything, and it saves you a lot of time, and time is money. Link description. Now, as I said before, my name is Eric. I do Final Cut 10 Pro tutorials and have a lot of free plugins, so check out all my other videos. If you haven't already, smash the subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram, lifted_Eric. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. You still watching? Why? You here for a bonus one? You want me to give you a bonus one? But this is just between us, right? Alright, check out the stream.